In an effort to clean up our HTML and the listing of the modules that we're building, I've created a couple of web components. You can see here they're custom web components. One of them is called MIT module and the other one is called MIT submodule. In this case, as you can see here, you would set the attributes. This is the title of the module, and the submodule, as usual, we have a title, a video, a link, Camtasia file, exercise, and a test. So this is pretty clean on the HTML page, but I wanted to share what the component looks like behind the scenes. And I have that here. The first one that I have here listed is the submodule. And you can see here, this is boilerplate, the format that you need to follow within custom web components, and the rest of it is just getting a handle on those attribute values. And then this last part is really a template string, and I'm setting those values on that HTML. So instead of writing all of that HTML every single time, the icons, everything else, we simply set it as attributes as you saw in the HTML. Now the last part is to add it to the context so the browser knows about it. And then this next one is the one for the module, and that's much smaller, and you can see here the HTML template that I am following. So as we go back to this, you can see now here that we have the outer module and then we have the submodule. And now I'm going to go ahead and load this file onto the browser. And so you can see there that it looks just like the ones we've had. A little bit difference in styling since I have not replicated all of the environment that we have. But if we wanted to have more submodules as we do, I'm simply going to copy this one over, copy and paste, and now you can see there that I have one more. So this should clean up a lot of what we have. It's completely completely at your discretion if you want to use them. All I've needed to do in the main HTML file is to provide a reference to that components.js where I define those custom components. And now if you would like to, you can use them within our HTML syntax as we define our modules.